colors Shems to parking. Here we present the model of the parking lot with the new enveloping numbers with colors Shems, visible up to a 360-degree arc. The first area shown with a tall pillar, which has a yellow ring around it at the top, symbolizing the number 1. And the second area shown with a tall pillar, which has a green ring around it at the top, symbolizing the number 2. The first area has 50 smaller pillars. On each pillar are applied the new beautiful numbers Shems with colors, which we invented them with the help of the great God. And in our example they are colored rings. So in the first area there are 50 pillars, starting from number 0 up to number 49. Because number 0 is also an identification number. 0 as a base number indicates a value such as 0 plus 1 equals 1. While as a linear number, environmental identification number, 0 indicates an object with this number. So in this parking area we have the first row of pillars with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, where each number has its own color, which are also the 10 basic colors for we. The second row are the pillars with numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, where the base color is yellow. The third row of pillars from number 20 to number 29, where the base color is green. The fourth row of pillars from number 30 to number 39, where the base color is orange. And the fifth row of pillars from number 40 to number 49, where the base color is purple. And in the other parking lot, symbolized by the tall pillar with the green ring, we have another 50 pillars, from number 50 to number 99, where the new fantastic numbers Shems have been applied, which are colored rings. In the first row we have pillars with the numbers 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, where the base color is blue. The second row are pillars with the numbers 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, where the base color is red. The third row of pillars from number 70 to number 79, where the base color is the sky. The fourth row of pillars from number 80 to number 89, where the base color is brown. And the fifth row of pillars from number 90 to number 99, where the base color is beige. Reading of symbols in a symbol group starts with the largest, widest symbol. And when the symbols are twins, don't need to specify where the first symbol is. In order to understand the importance of the application of the new environmental identification numbers Shems with colors, we have presented here a model of a parking lot with the old black and white environmental identification numbers. Thus, when the driver goes around the old park in 360 degrees, that has the flat identification numbers of the Stone Age. He sees 100 twin pillars that are the same size and the same grey color. The only way for driver to distinguish the round pillars the one from another is their old flat, black and white identification numbers. Now what happens to the driver when he drives around the two parking lots with the beautiful identification numbers Shems, making a 360-degree tour of the new parking lot? He sees the two tall pillars and the yellow and green rings from every position. He sees another 100 smaller pillars, wrapped in colored rings, where each pillar knot is equal another. Because our colored rings that indicate numbers have made each pillar different from the others. He also sees that every 10 pillars have the same base color. For example, when he parks at number 37 made up of the big orange ring and the small sky ring, He says that I parked in the orange area. Orange area has only 10 pillars. So others 90 pillars, he excludes them from memory. After parking the car in the area where pillar 37 is located, the driver has another problem. He begins to think and says softly, "But maybe this is a playground." No, no, the ring's answer, "It's not a playground. It's a modern park with new Shems numbers." The driver gets out of the car and goes around pillar number 37 and other pillars nearby. When suddenly voices are heard, "Lord, why are you circling the pillars? Doesn't see you. We are the colored rings, that we've gone around the pillars, decorated them like the necklaces, and we are made in numbers." "No, no," says the gentleman. "I'm not circling them because I don't see them, but I enjoy your beautiful." Then the driver went off to do his chores, and when he comes back to take the car, he looks for the pillar where he parked the car in the group of pillars with an orange base, recognizing it from far away, and see the pillar with white orange ring and narrow sky-colored ring. "It is wonderful," says driver, and embraces the pillar with white orange rind and narrow sky-colored ring. After he got into his car and goes away singing. He leaves the parking lot singing, and instead of leaving, very satisfied by the beauty of the parking lot, he turns around and enters the parking lot again. He goes to park the car in the reverse number of the number 37, exactly at the pole with the number 73.